Hello there guys, Mark here. I hope you are well. Today we're going to take a look at the surgeon's knot, also referred to as the ligature knot. This knot, more specifically a bent, is used by surgeons to tie together stitches. But as a bent, you can use it to join two pieces of cord, rope, thread, whatever you have. There are lessons to be learned from this knot, so let's take a look. Here I have two ends which I would like to join together using the surgeon's knot. To do this, take one of the ends and place it over the other. Then, make a turn using the same end, so the top one. Wrap around your other end. This is a half knot. To continue, take the same working end which you used before and do a second turn. So again, wrap around the other end. This is the basis for the surgeon's knot. Take the same end which you used before, place it over the other end, and again create a turn, basically wrapping around your other end. Now simply tighten up. And this is the surgeon's knot, also called the ligature knot. One additional thing that I'm going to show you is how to further secure the surgeon's knot. Basically, we're going to add a bunch of square knots, also referred to as reef knots. Take your working end, pass it over your other end, do a turn, and tighten up. Take the same end, pass over the other end, create a turn, tighten up. And again the same end, pass over, create a turn, tighten up. If you get these cords on the sides, you have done your reinforcement correctly. The surgeon's knot teaches us an important lesson. When we are tying half knots, we can reinforce them using additional turns. Then, when we're doing the second half knot to finish up your first one, we can finish with a simple half knot or again add even more turns. So turns are what increase the friction in our knot, making it more secure. So like this. Using the lesson of adding additional turns, we can improve one everyday activity, tying your shoes. So, when tying your shoes, you start off using a half knot. To make it more secure, you can now add an additional turn. Like this. Then, when adding the ears, so the loops, you can again first make one turn, or even better, add in a second turn, like this, and tighten up. And this is a much more secure way of tying your shoes. So guys, the surgeon's knot is not only a very practical knot, but it also teaches us how to secure our half knots even further. With that said, thank you very much for joining me today, and I hope to see you in my future tutorials as well.